Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove saved login info on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Once you have logged in into your Instagram account, head over to your profile and go to the hamburger menu and go to your account center, and here go to password and security. Now go to where you are logged in. In here, you can see the places you have logged into with your account. So all you need to do is go to a specific one and click on logout. Suppose this one, click on logout and it will be logged out from that specific device. And that's how you have to do it one by one to remove your login info of your Instagram. That's it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.